So Germ Geek sent me this keyboard cleaner. So I believe it's mainly a brush with a solution of cleaning solution to clean keyboards. So from what I've read through or understood, the way it works is there's this top that has some bristles on it. See, they kind of fall out, move like that, and in here there's some fluid. I will say when I received this, it was in a plastic bag, kind of like how most products are shipped, and there was some liquid just in the plastic bag, so that kind of concerned me a little bit, but I mean, not too much. And I've had this sitting in my room for a bit, and that hasn't been the case. So probably just keep it upright and sealed tightly. Reading over the instructions, which are on the bottle here, the main thing is when you have the top in, you press down. You see that when that goes down, and I think that's supposed to mix the liquid with the bristles. And I would also assume that it takes liquid from inside the cylinder and puts it into this top part. I've tried watching it with the cap off, and I guess there's more than there was before, but I feel like I haven't noticed much with the cap off. There is quite a bit of fluid in here, though. There is weightiness that indicates there is some in there. So that's how you get the cap ready to use. Then other than that, you just take this and you go over your keyboard. It does say to make sure that keyboards or computers are off. I don't even know if you should use this on like a laptop or somewhere where the keyboard is directly connected to your computer. I will not say anything in case I'm wrong. So, but the design on this, I think it looks pretty good. This is some background company story information, also a caution. I would assume this QR code is how to use, but I haven't checked that out. And then other than that, I guess it's flammable, probably alcohol. There's a picture of a laptop, so yeah, probably shouldn't use this on laptops, I would assume. So I have this Mac keyboard that is pretty old. I got it from a friend who got it pre-owned, so I think I'll try going over and trying to do some circular motions. Just go over there, over like that. Can tell that it's leaving some of the cleaning residue on there. Looking at the bristles, I tried this before and I didn't see too much of a difference. This one has a little bit of like a dark spot on it. I also just got a whiff of some of the alcohol, so that is present. I mean, I think it probably shows more on keyboards that are way older and with deeper crevices, but again, I do think that this is showing a bit more than the first keyboard that I tried. So, and I mean, regardless, disinfecting your keyboard from time to time doesn't hurt. So I think that this is a nice and kind of fun little way of packaging a way of cleaning your keyboards. So I would try this out, see what people also think about it, and I mean, yeah, I like it. I'll be using it. I recommend it.